Straight lines, important 7 marks questions we have to discuss here. Important 7 marks. First question is, a straight line through P3, 4 makes an angle 60 degrees with x-axis in the positive direction. Find the coordinates of the points on the line which are 5 units distance from it. Which are 5 units distance from it. So let us draw the diagram. Here, look here. I have one mark here. Look into the coordinate axis. I have pointed a P3, 4 here. We have to find an equation points on the line which are 5 units away from P. P is 3, 4. So from P, after 5 units, let us consider a negative direction B. These 2 points are at 5 units from P, which makes an angle. This lines makes an angle 60 degrees with the x-axis. Is it clear? Right. So what is the formula for the formula of finding the coordinates which are at a distance of r units and making an angle theta with the x-axis? So a given point, let the P 3, 4 is equal to x1, y1. Okay, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Therefore, required points are x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. So r is equal to how much? As shown in the diagram, r is equal to 5. R is equal to 5. So therefore, these coordinates can be written as x1 is 3, y1 is 4, plus or minus 5 into cos 60 is 1 by 2, and then sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So let us find the point. 3 plus 5 by 2, 3 plus 5 by 2, comma 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2 is 1 point. I consider this as A, and B is equal to 3 minus 5 by 2, comma 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2. These are the 2 points. So there is 6 plus 5, 11 by 2, comma 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2. 4 plus 5 root 3 by 2 is A, and B is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1 by 2, comma 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2, or else 8 minus 5 root 3 by 2, or 4 minus 5 root 3 by 2. These are the coordinates of A and B which are at a distance of 5 units away from it. Next important problem, a straight line through Q2, 3. A straight line is passing through Q2, 3, makes an angle 135 degrees with x-axis in negative direction. In negative direction. Negative means negative direction. There is a positive direction, there is a negative direction. So it makes an angle 135 degrees in negative direction. So totally 180. So 135 is gone. So remaining angle is 45 degrees. In positive direction, it is 45 degrees. If the straight line intersects the line x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This straight line which is going through 2Q2, 3 intersects x plus y is equal to 7 or x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 at P. Then what is the distance PQ? I consider it as R. Given point on the line is 2, 3 makes an angle 135 degrees. Let Q 2, 3 is equal to x1, y1. Okay. And it's make an angle, so theta is equal to 135 degrees. Any point on this line, it is at a distance of a point on the line at a distance of r units from Q BP, that is PQ is equal to R. Therefore, what is coordinates of P? P is equal to x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta. So x1 plus r cos theta, comma y1 plus r sin theta. There is nothing but x1 is 2 plus r we have to find cos 135, but theta is equal to 135 in negative direction, but we need it in positive direction. There is nothing but 45 degrees in positive direction. Therefore, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, and y1 is 3. y1 is 3 plus r into sin 45 is 1 by root 2. Since there is a point P, since P lies on x plus y is equal to 7. We all know that if a point lies on a line, it must satisfy the equation. Means if you substitute that point, it must satisfy. So I substitute x as 2 plus r by root 2 and y as 3 plus r by root 2 is equal to 7. 2 plus 3 is 5. If you send to that side, r by root 2 says 2 times. 2r by root 2 is 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 gets cancelled. This implies r is nothing but pq, is nothing but root 2 units. So distance between p and q is root 2 units. This is an important problem in case of intermediate. Problem number 3. It's an important question given many times in 2014, 2019 question. It's given in 2019 also. Find the equation of a straight line passing through this point and makes an angle 60 degrees with the straight line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. First of all, we have to understand this. This is the straight line. It's passing through 1, 2 and making an angle 60 degrees with this straight line root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. So my work is, I know the point. If I know the slope of this line, then I can write the equation of this line. If I consider the slope of this line as m1 and the slope of this line as m2, then tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is the formula, m1 minus m2 by m1 plus m2. If you write that formula, you will get the value of m1. Okay, let us try this equation. Given equation. What is the given equation? Given equation is root 3x plus y plus 2 is equal to 0. Slope m2 is equal to minus root 3 by 1. Minus a by b is the slope of the line. Slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is minus a by b. So this is minus root 3. Next, let m1 be slope of line passing through p1 comma 2. Therefore, given angle between the lines theta is equal to 60 degrees is angle between lines. Therefore, we know the formula as tan theta is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2 modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Since tan theta is equal to tan 60 is root 3 is equal to modulus of m1 is we have to find m2 is minus root 3, minus of minus root 3 is plus root 3 by 1 plus m1 into m2 is minus root 3 m1, minus root 3 m1. So this implies two ways. Look here, the two methods of here. Once I take positive, there is a root 3 is equal to m1 plus root 3 by 1 minus root 3 m1. Positive, and or next one is root 3 is equal to m1 plus root 3 negative, no, minus of 1 is positive plus or minus. If you remove this, we'll get into plus root 3. Here I can take it as minus root 3, taking here as positive. Okay, right, by 1 minus root 3 m1 plus or minus root 3. Cross multiply this, you will get into root 3 minus 3 m1 is equal to m1 plus root 3, or minus root 3 plus 3 m1 is equal to m1 plus root 3. Here we send m1 to this side, there is a 4 m1 is equal to 0. The root 3 gets cancelled. Here for 2 m1, if you get m1 this side, 2 m1 is equal to 2 root 3. 2 gets cancelled. So m1 is equal to 0 is one slope, m1 is equal to root 3 is another slope. So equations are equation of required line. These are of two types. One with m1 is equal to 0, other with m1 is equal to right. So y minus y1 is equal to 0 into x minus x1, or y minus y1 is equal to root 3 into x minus x1. What is x1 y1? Point is nothing but 1 comma 2. So 1 y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y minus 2 is equal to root 3 into x minus 1. So this becomes root 3x minus y, and then if you send the minus root 3 to that side, becomes root 3 minus 2. So this is another equation. These are the two equations required which makes an angle 60 degrees with the the base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. Base, let us consider an equilateral triangle. Base of the triangle is x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. And the opposite vertex, is 2 comma minus 1. Opposite vertex. This, if you consider this as base, this is the opposite vertex 2 comma minus 1. Find the equation of the remaining two sides. Let us consider, let BC be the equation of the line. Let B equation be x plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. I consider this as m1, slope of the line, and there is a slope of m2. Angle between these two lines is 60 degrees since it's an equilateral triangle. So slope of the line is m1 is equal to minus a by b, that is minus 1. Slope m1 is equal to, slope of this line is m1 is equal to minus 1. Let slope of AB is equal to m2, where A is equal to 2 comma minus 1. B I don't know. BC equation I know. A is known thing. Since opposite to BC is vertex A, its point is 2 comma minus 1. Right. My way of finding M2 is, since I know the slope of M1, I consider M2. Angle between these two lines is 60 degrees. If the angle between the lines is theta, and M2 and M1 and M2 are in the slope of the two lines, then tan theta is equal to M1 minus M2 by 1 plus M2. So that I can find the value of unknown slope. Right. Since theta is equal to 60 degrees, is angle between AB and BC. Therefore tan 60 is equal to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Okay, so tan 60 is root 3. Root 3 is equal to m1 is minus 1 and m2 we have to calculate by 1 minus m2. Squaring on both sides, we'll get into 3 into 1 plus m2 square minus 2m2. Squaring this and then writing here is equal to minus a minus b whole square is nothing but a plus b whole square, 1 plus m2 square plus 2m2. So there is 3 plus 3m2 square plus minus 6m2 is equal to 1 plus m2 square plus 2m2. Let us find the value of m2. So 3m2 square minus m2 square is 2m2 square, and then minus 6 minus 2 is minus 8m2, and then 3 minus 1 is 2 is equal to 0. If you cancel, you will get into 4 here, there is 1. So m2 is nothing but how no factors are there, therefore m2 is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by 2a is 2. So there is 4 plus or minus root 12 is 2 root 3 by 2. 2 ones, 2 ones, 2 twos. So 2 plus root 3 is 1 root, 2 minus root 3 is another root. Therefore, equation of the remaining lines, equation of remaining sides are y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. M is nothing but m2. So that I can write y plus 1 is equal to point. I know the point, I need in the slope, slope is calculated. Therefore, this is 2 plus or minus root 3, 2 plus or minus root 3 into x minus 2. 2 plus root 3 is one equation, 2 equation of AB, 2 minus root 3 is the equation of AC. However, you can consider one equation as AB, other equation as S. An important problem that's given in 2016 in Thailand 2019. So each and every student must learn this. If QH comma K is the foot of the perpendicular, is AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. That is the equation of the line. Slope M1 is equal to minus A by B. That is slope. Next, slope since B is equal to x1 y1 and Q equal to H comma K. Okay. Then slope of PQ. What is slope of PQ? K minus y1 by H minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 means k minus y1 by x minus. Right? Since I consider this as m2. Right? Since PQ is perpendicular to ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this implies m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. This is my first work. M1 is minus A by B, and then M2 is K minus Y1 by H minus X1 is equal to minus 1. Minus gets cancelled. Minus gets cancelled. So remaining thing is I can write like this: K minus Y1 by B. K minus Y1 by B. I kept this as it is here, and then remaining I send to that side, which is equal to H minus X1 by A. Consider this as lambda. This is my first work. This is my first work. First work is line equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Slope is minus a by. Next, PQ points are known. Its slope is m2, k minus y1 by h minus x1. That is m2. Since these two lines are perpendicular, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. From this, I got a condition. So this is first part of the work. Next part of the work is find h comma k from this. So if you equate these two lines, these 2 points, what you'll get? H minus x1 is equal to lambda into a, and k minus y1 is equal to lambda into b. So what is h? H is x1 plus a lambda, and k is equal to y1 plus lambda b means b lambda. So I know h comma k. Okay, this is my second work. So last work is, since h comma k, qh comma k, since qh comma k is a point, since qh comma k is a point on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, this implies substitute h comma k, this becomes ah plus bk plus c is equal to 0. What is h? H from this is x1 plus a lambda. So this becomes a into x1 plus a lambda plus b into y1 plus b lambda, and then plus c is equal to 0. Let us make 2 points. We can end here. There is ax1 plus a square lambda plus by1 plus b square lambda plus c is equal to 0. We are taking a lambda common. So lambda into a square plus b square. Okay, remaining to that side, minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. Ax1 plus by1 plus c to that side. So it becomes minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c. So lambda is equal to minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. So when you substitute this lambda in equation 1, we will get the remaining result as a h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda is a minus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. That's the end of. If qh comma k is the image of px1 y1 with respect to the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, then we have to prove that h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. P is a point x1 y1, and qh comma k is the point exactly equidistant from the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Certainly, the midpoint of PQ will lie on the line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So midpoint is x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k by 2, that is a. If you substitute x1 plus h by 2, y1 plus k by 2, that is a in the ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, it satisfies. With these conditions, we are going to prove this. First part of the problem is as that of the foot of the perpendicular. Slope of ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is m1 is equal to minus a by b. Okay. Next, what is the slope of PQ? Slope of PQ as shown in diagram is m2 is equal to k minus y1 by h minus x1. This is the slope of PQ. Since P is x1 y1, Q is a h comma k, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Already we explained in foot of the perpendicular. Since ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, perpendicular to PQ, m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. Therefore, minus a by b into k minus y1 by h minus x1 is equal to minus 1. Minus gets cancelled. So you keep a by k minus y1 by b here, k minus y1 by b here, and then send h minus x1 to that side. By becomes into then into A becomes by A is equal to lambda C. This is the first part. From this, what we can write is, this implies H is equal to x1 plus A lambda and K is equal to y1 plus B lambda. This is my first part of the work. What we can created is H comma K values, right? Next one, let the A be the, since A is a midpoint of PQ, since A is midpoint of PQ, therefore A is equal to how much? H plus x1 by 2 comma K plus y1 by 2. Since H is equal to this, K is equal to this, substitute in it, therefore A becomes, the point becomes H is x1 plus A lambda plus x1 by 2, K also y1 plus B lambda plus y1 by 2. Therefore coordinates of A is 2x1 plus A lambda by 2 comma 2y1 plus B lambda by 2. This A. Now look here. Since A is since A lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. So my second part is midpoint PQ midpoint A lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Substitute into the point A in this. Therefore, A into what is x? 2x1 plus A lambda by 2. Since this point lies on the line, it must satisfy the equation. So I am substituting A in ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x1 plus B lambda by 2 plus c is equal to 0. This becomes 2ax1 plus a square lambda, 2by1 plus b square lambda. Since if you take LCM, 2c is equal to 0. Okay. So if you take lambda common, lambda into a square plus b square becomes minus 2ax1 plus 2by1 plus 2c. So lambda is nothing but minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Look here, a h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. There is equation 1. Therefore, when you substitute lambda, it becomes h minus x1 by a is equal to k minus y1 by b is equal to lambda. Lambda value is minus 2 times of ax1 plus by1 plus c by a square plus b square. Simple theorem is as that of foot of the perpendicular. So learn foot of the perpendicular first of all, and then learn image. Image, only an extra work we have to do is find the foot of the midpoint of PQ. In case of h comma k lies on ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 in foot of the perpendicular, you are going to substitute midpoint. If P and Q are lengths of perpendiculars drawn from the origin to the straight line, x secant theta plus y cosecant theta is equal to a, and x cos theta plus y sin theta is equal to a cos 2 theta, then prove that 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. In IP examination, it was given as alpha. Okay. So x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a cos 2 alpha. Then prove that 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. Let us consider what's given p. What is p? P is equal to length of perpendicular from origin to x secant alpha plus y cosecant alpha is equal to e. What is q? Q is nothing but length of perpendicular from origin to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to a cos 2 alpha. Therefore, I can write these two values as p is nothing but perpendicular distance from origin. So, formula is modulus of c by root of a square plus b square, that is secant square alpha plus cosecant square alpha. This I can write it as a by root of 1 by cos square alpha plus 1 by sin square alpha. So, there is nothing but a by root of sin square alpha plus cos square alpha By cos square sin square root becomes cos sin. It comes to numerator as sin alpha cos alpha. What is sin square alpha plus cos square alpha? It becomes 1. So this becomes a sin alpha cos alpha by 1. When you multiply with the 2 on both sides, 2p is equal to a into 2 sin alpha cos alpha. What is the value of 2 sin alpha cos alpha? This is a sin 2 alpha. So now what is 4p square? 4p square is a square sin square 2 alpha. This is equation number 1. Now come here. I wrote in the value of q. Q is the length of perpendicular from origin to this line. What is q now? Modulus of c, that is a cos 2 alpha by root of a square plus b square is cos square alpha plus sin square alpha. So what is the formula for the length of the perpendicular drawn from origin to a straight line ax plus by plus c is equal to 0? Nothing but modulus of c by root of a square plus b square. So since root of sin square plus cos square is 1, this becomes a cos 2 alpha. So what is q square? Q square is a square cos square 2 alpha. Now add these two things, 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 implies, equation 1 plus 2 implies 4p square. LHS is 4p square plus q square. RHS is a square sin square 2 alpha plus a square cos square 2 alpha. So clearly it is a square into sin square alpha 2 alpha plus cos square 2 alpha. There is nothing but a square. So 4p square plus q square is equal to a square. Family of lines. Look here, find the equation of the straight line passing through origin. We need the equation passing through origin. This is the line required. And also through the point of intersection of these two lines. The point of intersection lies here. So the line that is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and passing through origin is required. So I am going to do like this. First method is finding the point of intersection. Since point is known, point and origin, slope, and then passing through point, slope point form, or in the 2-point form equation, okay, or else we know the family of equations that is passing through the lines L1 is equal to 0 and this L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. So there are set of lines, many lines are passing there are infinite number of lines that are passing through the point of intersection of these two lines, which is represented as L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Depending on lambda, we can create an infinite number of lines. We need a line among it which is passing through origin. If we substitute origin, we'll get in the value of lambda. If we substitute lambda in the created equation, we'll get in the equation. That is the method I'm going to do here. So there is family of straight lines, passing through L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. That is, here L1 is 2x minus y plus 5 and then plus lambda into L2 is x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Given this equation, this is the equation of set of family of lines. Given this equation is passing through origin, or if origin lies on the line, what happens? This becomes 0 plus 0 plus 5 plus lambda into 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equal to 0. So I get lambda as minus 5. So lambda is created, our work is completed. Therefore, equation of required line is substitute lambda here, that is 2x minus y plus 5 minus 5 into x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. Alright, this 2x minus y plus 5 minus 5x minus 5y minus 5 is equal to 0. So this becomes minus 3x minus 6y is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus 2y, when you divide with the minus 3, you'll get x plus 2y is equal to 0. That is the equation of the line. Right. The same as that of the above problem. Here, the equation of the straight line required. There is the equation of the straight line required. Passing through the point of intersection of the lines, x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y. There is x minus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0, and this is the line x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0, passing through the point of intersection of the lines, and parallel to this is the line parallel to 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Okay, now let us write the answer for this. Simple problem. What is the family of lines passing through the point of intersection of passing through the point of intersection of L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Therefore, what is that equation? That is x minus 2y minus 3 plus lambda into x plus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. I can write into x, there is x minus 2y minus 3 plus lambda into lambda x 3 lambda y minus 6 is equal to 6 lambda is equal to 0. I multiply lambda for each and every term. So next x into 1 plus lambda minus plus y into minus 2 plus 3 lambda minus 3 minus 6 lambda is equal to 0. This is the equation number 1. Since if equation 1 is parallel to, given it is parallel to 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. If two lines are said to be parallel, then slopes are equal. Therefore, slopes must be equal. Therefore, I can two lines are parallel. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, or slopes must be equal. If AX plus BY plus C1, A1X plus B1Y plus C1 is equal to 0, and A2X plus B2Y plus C2 is equal to 0, are said to be parallel, then A1 by A2 is equal to A1 is 1 plus lambda by A2 is 3, B1 is minus 2 plus 3 lambda by 4. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by D2. There is a parallel condition. Parallel condition. Therefore, 4 plus 4 lambda is equal to minus 6 plus 9 lambda. 4 lambda, if you take into this side, this becomes 5 lambda is equal to 10. So we created the value of lambda as lambda is equal to 2. We got the lambda as 2. Right. Substitute in equation 1. So required line which is parallel to the line 3x plus 4y plus 7, 4y is equal to 7, passing through the point of intersection of these two lines is the required line. Required line is equation number 1, that is x into 1 plus lambda plus y into minus 2 plus 3 lambda is 6, and then minus 3 minus 6 into 2 is minus 12 is equal to 0. This becomes 3x plus 4y minus 15 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of two lines and parallel to the given line. We need to find the equation of straight line making equal intercepts with the coordinate axis. Making equal intercept with the coordinate axis means A is equal to B. If you consider this as A and this as B, then A must be equal to B. If you consider this as B, this must be equal to A. So we need the equation of this line where it is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines. 2x minus 5y plus 1 is equal to 0. X minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Just I represented two lines. It is passing through the point of intersection of these two lines and making equal intercept with the coordinate axis. So first of all, what I write is family of lines, family of straight lines, family of straight lines through L1 is equal to 0 and L2 is equal to 0 is L1 plus lambda L2 is equal to 0. Okay. What is L1? This is 2x minus 5y plus 1 and then plus lambda into x minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. So let us multiply. This is 2x minus 5y plus 1 and then this is lambda x minus 3 lambda y minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. If we take common x into lambda plus 2 and then y, if you take common, there is minus 5 minus 3 lambda and then constant is 1 minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. Suppose x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Then making equal intercept means a is equal to b. Suppose ax plus by plus c is equal to 0 is given, it is minus c. Then x by minus c by a plus y by minus c by b is equal to 1. This is also an intercept form. When you equate these two things, c minus c by a equal to minus c by b means a is equal to b. So since given they are making a equal intercept with the coordinate axis, consider lambda plus 2 a is equal to b. B is minus 5 minus 3 lambda, making equal intercepts. Making equal intercept means x coefficient must be equal to y coefficient, right? So this becomes 4 lambda is equal to this side minus 7. So lambda is equal to minus 7 by 4. Substituting the lambda is equal to minus 7 by 4, so that we'll get here, right in the substitute, therefore x into minus 7 by 4 plus 2, y into minus 5, minus 3 into minus 7 is plus 21 by 4, and then 1 minus 4 into 7 becomes plus 7 is equal to 0. Minus 4 into minus 7 by 4 becomes 4 gets cancelled, minus 4 plus 4, and then plus 7. So take LCM, 8 minus 7 is 1 by 4x, and this is minus 20 plus 21 is plus 1 by 4y, plus 8 is equal to 0. So I